stand or fall.
The National Alert System has issued a severe condition alarm for all of Kiowa County. This is not a test. Stay home and stay calm. NASA said the moon disappeared and something is blocking the sun across the entire planet. Stay home. This is not a test. This is not a test. The planet's climate is expected to be unstable. Stay at home, seek shelter. NASA is telling people to stay home and wait for further news. Don't leave your house and don't trust the sounds. Be careful, lock your windows and doors, don't leave your house under any circumstances, open the door, stay alert, stay attentive. The International Announcement Service brings new news. The news is from